Hey, here we will be seeing few functions that can be used to extract certain information from dates. So what are the information that can be extracted from a date? The day, month or year numbers, the month name, which day it is, etc. So for simple extraction of the day, month, year numbers, the respective formulas can be used. The day function extracts the day number from the date, month function extracts the month number, and the year function extracts the year number. So these are the simple functions to use. While we need to say filter month-wise data or year-wise data. If we actually have the original data like this, days, months, and years in separate columns, to combine these for changing it into a date, date function can be used. Equal to date, open the bracket, enter the year or give link, whatever it is, comma, enter the month, comma, enter the date, close the bracket, and enter. Right? So now we are getting into one of the exciting functions that I use much. Text. Well, what does it actually do? Huh? Why it is so exciting? Actually, it is quite an interesting function. In context, remember it as just applying another type of formatting to a value, to a value that is available in some other cell. So here the formatting will reflect in the result cell without affecting the source data. The source data formatting is different and the result cell formatting is different, but the value is same, right? But also remember that the result as using the text function is a text and not a number or a date in Excel for Excel. Okay, it is not a number. Even if the value contains a number, it is not a number. Even if the value contains a date, it is not a date. Okay, so how it is useful from extracting information from dates? It's useful to extract the month name, short or long, whatever as you want. Day of the week as Sunday, Monday, etc., 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 short or long. So let's see how to extract the short month name. So that is Jan, Feb, MER, etc. Right? Equal to text. Open the bracket. Give link to the date or enter the date within the date formula as you wish. Comma. Within quotes, within double quotes, enter M. So the typical short month formatting. Close the bracket and enter. So now we could see the month names. So if we need full name of the month, enter 4 M's instead of 3 M's. Okay, cool. To extract the day of the week name, enter DDD. 3 D's. Okay. 2D will return only the day 03, 04, 01, something like that. 3 D's will return the day of the week. Right? And 4 D's will return the full text of the day. Sunday, SUNDA.